Hey guys, it's Liliana from Vanillandcanela here, and today I am sharing with you all the different hauls of little bits that I've bought from different places over the past couple of weeks, I think. So today I went to HomeSense and I'm actually going to share that with you right now, but all the other bits you'll see it's different clips from different days, and I've just put them all together because I know you guys like a good shopping haul. So anyway, let's just get started. If you don't know what HomeSense is TK Maxx's sister company. So TK Maxx does clothes and other bits. This side of the shop does only home stuff, and it does do a few toys and things like that. So anyway, let's just get started. First thing I picked up was a book for Alex. This is a workbook, first words to help him with his writing. It's a wipe, you can wipe off. There's a pen there, and you basically just write and you can just erase it and start again. I thought that was really good, and that was $1.99. You guys can see there. So I thought that was a really good price, and I mean it retails for $5.99, so yeah, it looks really good. The next thing I got was also for Alex for his birthday, and I'm whispering because he's downstairs and he's got good ears. But Alex is obsessed with a human body and blood and muscles and all that kind of stuff. So I was really pleased to find this Discover the Human Body educational tin set with a reference book, a wall chart, and a free model skeleton kit. He has wanted a skeleton for ages, not a real one, but so I think he is going to love this. And I actually had something very similar in my Amazon basket for $12.99, and I paid $4.99. So that is going in this present box. So that's it for Alex. Let's get to the stuff that actually you care about and I care about. So the first thing I picked up were these two little decorative bunnies. So Easter is coming, spring, and I just thought they were really pretty. White. I am so in love with white as a decorative colour. I've always loved it, but they had other colours if that's your thing. But I went for white because it will never go out of style. And that, my friends, was $4.99. So, and then the next thing I got was this, which is a in-drawer knife mat. Basically, I have a Joseph cutlery tray, and it has a big space for the knives, but they just get chucked in. So I wanted something that was a bit more where I can slide in the knives, and I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw this. I've tried it in my drawer already. It fits. I have to sort of fold this bit a little bit, mainly because of this bit here. But anyway, it was $4.99. You can see there what it's supposed to do. And it's silicone. And by the way, the company is Made Smart. Never heard of them, but anyway. And then I had a browse in the candle section, and I wanted to buy loads, guys, but I walked away with just the one. And look how pretty the candle is. Just the jar. This ombre, I think it's called, the way the colours fade, and it's got like it's not gold, it's copper lid. That's it. Oh, it smells so good. The fragrance is white sage cilantro. Now, cilantro in the UK is coriander, I think. I really like unusual smells, but it's not pungent, if you know what I mean. It's not super strong. It's nice and delicate. It smells really, really good. Really fresh as well. So, and finally I picked up this tray. I don't know if you guys can, you can see the sort of pattern inside. It's nice and simple, and it was, don't know if you can see, $9.99. It's tin. I really, really love it. I've been looking for a fairly plain big tray for my coffee table, and this is what I went for. they had loads. I mean, today was one of those days where I could have spent an absolute fortune in there. So much beautiful stuff. So if you have a HomeSense near you, go and check it out. Not sponsored or anything, but you know, because they have lots of stuff for the spring, really pretty stuff. So that's enough of this. Now let me show you the footage of all the other bits I got. I picked up some mince, some Emmental slices, some wafer thin ham, some cupcake cases, just very plain. And I also found these multivitamin juice made from 12 fruits and vegetables. And I bought these. Alex has already had one and they apparently are very nice. I got 2 packs of those. I also picked up some wine, and this is not to drink but to use in food when cooking food. Excuse, you can hear Alex shouting in the background. He's playing with his dad. But yeah, so this was $3.89, I think. I looked for the cheapest possible because, like I said, it's going in food. I got some cheese and chive snacks, some chocolate and hazelnut cream croissants. We've never tried those. Got some chorizo and some mortadella. Basically, I had a delivery from Tesco's, but I almost bought these in something like this in Tesco's, and it was $2.59. And this was like $1.39, so I'm so pleased with that. Also got the coffees. You guys might have seen in my last month's Lidl haul that these are compatible with the Dolce Gusto machines, and they are worth it. They taste lovely. So I got 2 of the lungos, whatever, which is what I drink, and also picked up the cappuccino. I have a friend of mine coming to stay. She's arriving tonight and she loves cappuccinos, so I thought I would get one of those. And those, if I haven't said it yet, are $2.50 a bag, where the originals are $4.49 for the same quantities. I got 2 packets of antibacterial wipes. Alex has been ill and I want to make sure that I'm like wiping everything down at every possible moment. I also got some blue raspberry bonbons. I have in my office a little jar and I want to put those in there. And that was it. Sorry, that was it from Lidl. And here's what I got from Home Bargains. I saw these fruiticles, yeah, 100% fruit. Alex has already opened one, but at the moment he's refusing to eat them, which I'm like, really? Really, child? But anyway, so I got one with Cars and one with Star Wars, and they were 69p per bag, and there's 5 packs inside. So I buy other stuff and they're like $1.95 a bag, so I'm hoping he will like them. I also got some Bisto. I actually showed you this as part of my Lidl, but I got this in Home Bargains, sorry. So like I was saying, Bisto, got a box of ibuprofen and a box of paracetamol, and I picked up this for my goddaughter who's arriving today, and it's a mermaid blanket. You guys have probably seen these everywhere. Once she gets here and she opens it up, I might take a photo for you guys to see. But here's 90 centimeters wide to 180 centimeters long, and it was $5.99, which I think is a really good bargain. And it's ombre mermaid blanket. I also got this, which is actually going to be Paul's Valentine's present to me, and this goes with my makeup tray. I got that, the top bit, you guys might have seen this in my bathroom for Christmas, and he said I could get the bottom bit now, so that's what I did. Also found Nature Valley crunchy oat and nuts bars for $1.49 a bag, and Alex really likes those. Some cappuccinos, instant cappuccinos. I usually buy this brand for £1 in my local shop, and these were 79p. So I got 3. My goddaughters are going to be here for Valentine's, so I thought I would pick up one of these for them and one for Alex on the day. So just little chocolates. And I also got a makeup sponge, some more hair dye. Sorry, it took me a minute there. And this is the one I used last month, and I really, really like it. It's chestnut brown, and it's actually a mousse, so it does, or mask if you wish, so it doesn't like drip or anything. I really, really like that. 2 of these savoury chicken microwave rices for Paul's lunches, and also I got these 2 little bouquets for $1.69 each, which I thought was a really, really good price. So the first thing I picked up was this. I actually thought for some reason that this was kitchen roll, but it's actually toilet paper. Big fail, but that was $1.20. I picked this up, Galaxy Salted Caramel. It is my birthday today, so it is my birthday. So that was £1, and I didn't fancy baking a cake for my own birthday, so I saw these little cupcakes. They're handmade, let's see, by Fiona Carnes, and they were $3.75, which I thought was really good. Picked up some daffodils, and usually they're £1, which in itself is really cheap. They're actually 49p each, so 2 bunches. Some bow tie pasta, Alex chose that. I saw this, and this is the brand I use in my cosmetics, so my moisturiser and things like that, and I thought I'd give it a try because I really like this brand. It's Waitrose Pure Purifying Shampoo. Picked up some moist toilet tissue wipes, some olives, plump and juicy, some hot dogs. Alex got some Freddo multi-pack. Got some yogurt, this is my favourite. Some oats are simple, so porridge for Paul. Some milk, some passata, and then I bought a few cleaning and washing bits. Let me show you. E-Cover washing up liquid. This is lemon and aloe vera. Smells amazing. This massive bottle, I think it's 950 mils. Was £1.75. So I'm not a huge fan of E-Cover because just the smells, I'm not usually a massive fan of their smells, but this smells just lush. Also, I saw this, I've never bought this before, foaming washing up spray. So, and it was actually reduced to clear, so it was 50p, and yeah, I just thought I'd give it a try. This is Waitrose Ecological brand. If you guys remember, I've bought their washing up liquid and I really liked it. So this time I picked up a kitchen cleaner, grapefruit and eucalyptus, which is the same as the washing up liquid. Now I noticed that they also do toilet cleaner and a glass cleaner. And then I got the biggest bottle of Unstoppables. I mean, this is huge. Usually the Unstoppables is sort of that big. Let me show you. So you can see it's massive. I have never seen one so big, and this one's 750 grams. And I picked up my favourite, and it was £8 on promotion. And then finally I got some fabric conditioner. This is the baby fabric conditioner. It's on offer for £1, so I got 2. It smells unbelievable, so nice. So I picked that up, and I use fabric softener very sparingly, so that will last me for ages. And obviously because I have their card, I managed to get the free latte at the end and their magazine. That's it, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.